Okay, this is October 2004, Test 44, Section 3, Game 2, Questions 7 through 12. During a certain week, an animal shelter places exactly 6 dogs, G, H, K, L, P, S, 6, with new owners. 2 are placed on Monday, 2 on Tuesday, and the remaining 2 on Wednesday. So that's 6 people, 2 in each spot, nobody can go twice. Fairly simple. Consistent with the following conditions, Labrador Retriever L is placed on the same day as the Poodle P. Done. The Greyhound is not placed on the same day as the Husky. Done. If K is placed on Monday, then G is placed on Tuesday. If K equals M, then G equals T. If S is on Wednesday, H is on Tuesday. If S equals W, then H equals T. All right, that's it for the rules, and we're ready to do our inferencing. The first thing I'm going to ask myself here is, if K is on Monday, what happens? So I'm going to put K in colored pencil in Monday. Then I know the G has to be in colored pencil on Tuesday, which forces L and P into Wednesday. And I know that G and H can't be together, so that forces H into Monday. And that only guy that we have left now is S, which is forced into Tuesday, and this board is complete. The next question we must ask ourselves is, what if K is not on Monday? It's very important that you ask those questions back to back, otherwise you're going to miss a lot of boards. So the question is, if K is not on Monday? So we're just going to write not Monday there. And then we're going to move to the next rule, which is if S is on Wednesday, we're going to put S in Wednesday. And that is going to force H into Tuesday, which is going to force LP into Monday. And then we have to force G into Wednesday because H and G can't be together, which then forces K into Tuesday. Now the next question you have to ask, of course, is what if K is not in Monday, and what if S is not in Wednesday? So we're going to come down here, we're going to make another board. This is going to take some time, but when you get good at this, you can do it in about 2.5 minutes, and every question is going to take about 15 seconds. So we know that this is not K, and now this is not S. And now we're going to have a couple of choices. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to make a few more boards, because I know that LP can go in Monday, can go on Tuesday, can go on Wednesday. So I know I'm going to need 3 boards here. And I'm going to guess that one of those isn't going to work. So I'm going to start just by making a total of 3. And I'll leave a space in case I need more later. So what I'm going to do here is, I already know that this is no K here and no S here, and this is no K here and this is no S here. So I'm going to start just by putting the LP in Monday, And that's going to force the S into Tuesday, the K over here, the G, H, and the G, H. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the LP in Tuesday. And what that's going to do is that's going to force the S in Monday, because the S can't go on Wednesday. It's going to force the K into Wednesday, because the K can't go on Monday. And the GH can't be together, so I have G/H, G/H. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the LP in Wednesday. And what that's going to do is it's going to force the K into Tuesday, because the K can't go on Monday. That's going to force a GH on the top of Monday. That's going to force a GH here, which then forces the S. And this is every single combination that they could possibly ask us. So this is a very, very easy game, provided that you have all 5 boards and provided that you ask yourself the questions in the proper order. If K is in Monday, what happens? If K is not in Monday, what happens? If K is not in Monday and S is in Wednesday, what happens? If K is not in Monday and S is not in Wednesday, what happens? If LP is in 1, what happens? If LP is in 2, what happens? If LP is in 3, what happens? Now we're starting with the questions. Question 7. Which one of the following could be a complete and accurate matching of the dogs to days on which they are placed? So we're just going to look at Monday. Monday says GL. GL, don't have one. A is out. Monday, GK. Look here, look here, look here. No GK. B is out. KS. No KS, no KS, no KS, no KS, no KS. C is out. Wednesday, LP. Oh, here's an LP and here's an LP. So let's look at Tuesday. GH. No GH here, no GH here. C is out. Moving on to D. LP. LP again, LP again. And let's look at Tuesday. GK. No GK here, no GK here. D is out. The answer must be E, but let's just check it anyway. LP, we know we have 2 boards. HK, we have an HK. And GS, we have a GS. E is the correct answer, and we're moving on. Question 8, which of the following must be true? K is not placed on the same day as G. So if we can find GK on one day, that's here, that's not true. So A is eliminated. K is not placed on the same day as S. So K with S, K with S, K with S, K with S, K with S. Yep, that's true. Number 8 is B, and we're moving on. Question 9, if P is placed on Tuesday, then which one of the following could be true? So we got P on Tuesday. I only have that in one place. It's right here. Then which of the following could be true? The G is placed on M. Could be true. 9 is A, and we're moving on. Question 10. If G is placed on the same day as K, then which of the following must be true? So we got GK here, which would force the H into M. We have GK here, which would force the H into M. We have GK here, which would force the H into 2. So we're looking at these 3 boards. Answer A says H is placed on Monday. Here it's not. That's not right. We're eliminating that answer. L is placed on Monday. Here it is. Here it's not. Here it's not. That's gone. So A and B are both gone. K is placed on Tuesday. Here it is. Here it's not. Here it's not. Answer C is gone. The P is not placed on Wednesday. So here it is placed on Wednesday. That answer is gone. It has to be E, which says the S is not placed on Wednesday. The S is not on Wednesday. The S is not on Wednesday. The S is not on Wednesday. Answer 10, question 10 is the answer is E. We're selecting that and we're moving on. Question 11. If H is placed the day before S, then which one of the following cannot be true? So I have H before S here, H before S here. Here it's inversed, here it's there. All right, so these 2 boards, which of the following cannot be true? H is placed on Monday. It is, that can be true. A is gone. K is placed on Monday. It is, so that's true. So B is gone. The G is placed on Tuesday. It is. C is gone. The P is placed on Tuesday. Here it's not. Here it's not. That's the correct answer. Answer 11 is D. We're choosing it and we're moving on. Question 12. If G is placed the day before P, then which one of the following cannot be placed on Tuesday? That sounds complicated, but it's really not. They're saying if we have GP, which one cannot be placed on Tuesday? We answer this question by figuring out which one can be placed on Tuesday. So we're looking for GP. We have G here, P, that's this board. We have GP here, that's this board. We have GP here, that's this board, this board, this board, this board. Now we're looking at what can go on Tuesday. G can go on Tuesday, S can go on Tuesday, L can go on Tuesday, P can go on Tuesday, K can go on Tuesday, G can go on Tuesday, H cannot go on Tuesday. So we're choosing answer A for 12. Answer 12 is A, and that's it. We're choosing that one. We're moving on, 100% correct. Done.